Hello, it's Wednesday, December 14th, and I'm Natalie Woods with your MaxiForex Daily News. The dollar gained versus all majors after the Federal Reserve kept the interest rate unchanged and gave no indication of a new quantitative easing program. The Fed remarked that the U.S. economy is expanding slowly, but unemployment and the housing markets are still in a slump. Stocks fell as the Nasdaq declined by 1.26% and the Dow Jones by 0.55%. Crude oil gained by 2.42%, closing at $100.13 a barrel. Gold dropped by 1.94%, closing at $1,631.90 an ounce. The euro fell versus the dollar as investors became more skeptical about a near agreement on steps to contain the spreading debt crisis. The momentum of the euro-dollar is bearish, and the pair broke below its lowest level in 11 months, but now reached oversold RCI conditions on the daily chart. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 1.3008 and with a high of 1.3236. The euro-dollar last traded at 1.3040. The British pound declined versus the dollar as European debt concerns continued being the main concern of investors. The pound dollar broke below its support level of 1.5570, and as long as it remains below that level, it is considered bearish. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 1.5450 and with a high of 1.5629. The pound dollar last traded at 1.5485. The yen declined slightly versus the dollar and gained versus the other majors as risk aversion continued following more European debt concerns and the Fed's announcement that rates will remain at their record lows. Technically, the US dollar-Japanese yen might be forming a bullish cup and handle pattern, which will be completed if the pair breaks above 78.30. The US dollar-Japanese yen last traded at 77.95. The Canadian dollar fell versus the US dollar as risk aversion grew and demand for higher-yielding assets plunged. The US dollar CAD will continue being bullish as long as it is above the support level of 1.0250. The US dollar CAD last traded at 1.0330. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, please visit us at MaxiForex.ru for all your online trading needs. I'm Natalie Woods, wishing you a happy trading.